like carrots, so on. That's up to you. But the egg too, you can take out the egg. That's not, it's not a mandatory, but that's how it's done traditionally. So that's how I wanted to present it to you today. So japchae, once again, get the prepping done same way, pretty much like bibimbap. Okay. Only thing I want to emphasize is pretty much on the noodle process, the tangmyeon. Okay. And this is not expensive. Once again, this is soft, but this is thick. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this whole bag, I would say about what? Under $7, something like that. Come to a boil. Boil your water, put it in. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, I would say average, but you have to taste it. You don't want to get it to the point where it's too hard, but too soggy, okay? So pretty much what you're tasting, that's what you should be shooting for, okay? Now afterwards,
I was going to ask you, one of the things we do when we're testing for spaghetti, to make sure it's right, is to take out a piece and throw it on the wall.
Oh, if it sticks.
Yeah.
Good, there you go. Okay, if you want to toss it on your husband or spouse's face and see if it sticks, okay? Yes, okay? You could do it that way, okay? So either way, test it, okay? That's a good point. So do it that way or taste it, okay? And then, this is probably just the most important part. Afterwards, put it under cold water, okay? Put it in a strainer. Stop from cooking. Let all the water drain, okay? Then put it in a pot. As soon as you put it in a pot, put some sesame oil, just like if you were going to add olive oil to a pasta, sesame oil, and then mix it up, okay? So that it doesn't stick together. Very important. So once you have the pot together, okay, you have the noodle in there. Now you can take your vegetables, and I would just do it this way. I won't do the traditional way, which is do every one separately, marinate the vegetables separately. Okay, you can do that if you have time. If you love to do that way, just take the carrot, cook it, marinate it with sesame oil and some soy sauce and sugar. 3 things: soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, a little bit. Marinate it, and then toss it into your pot container. Next one, shiitake mushroom, same thing, toss it in there. A little bit of sesame oil, soy sauce, a little bit of sugar to the taste. Mix it up, toss it in the pot. Do that with the onions, same thing. Over and over until you're finished. Then mix it all up, taste it, and see if this is what you're tasting, something similar here, or the way you like it. If you like it the way it is, or you need to add more sugar, maybe you need to add a little more soy sauce. Okay, that's up to you, okay? And then after that you finish, sesame seed, garnish it the way you like, and then you're finished, okay?
So you're basically saying you do each ingredient separately.
That is the traditional way. That is the traditional way. If I recommend to do it separately. I like to do it where, yes, I have my noodle in the pot, I take my shiitake mushroom, and I do that 3 process with each one. Soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar. Mix it up. Put it in the pot. Next one, same thing. Next one, same thing. And then mix it all up, taste it, and then I start doing my measurement again by adding soy sauce a little bit more of sugar, a little bit more of sesame oil. Mix it up to my preference of taste. Finish, garnish it with sesame seeds and your yellow part or white part of the egg, okay? Another one is zucchini, okay? I brought it, but then I didn't have time to do it for you. But you can also do zucchini. So whatever preference you have, and you do that with the chili paste. How did Jay make the chili paste? It was gochujang, which is the Korean chili paste. She added, what was it? Sugar, vinegar, okay? Okay, and mix it up, and then use that as a chili paste, okay? Great audience, okay? And thank you for volunteering, Lamont and Paris. Thank you for helping out. Everyone that, and then Barbara, thank you for inviting us. Paul, the camera person, okay? And then, of course, my wife, Jay, thank you, okay? Yeah, okay? Otherwise, I guess officially, Paul, we're shut down, huh? And please, don't be shy. Come on up and have some more, okay? this takes a long time to make, and so basically it's a good opportunity. Yes. Yeah, a little bit, yeah. This is tangmian, this is potato starch. Yes. Okay, yes, right. Okay, so I did mine. I just did yours on top, okay? And then I'll give you your copy, and I'll have my copy. I think that should do it. Yes.